I started the vlog late today. It is 12:30. You know, sometimes it's just like you're watching a Netflix show. You just stop the show or the series ends and you wake up and you're like, oh, it's 2026 and I need to get my life together and start going out and exploring, because that's the whole point of this channel. Yes, you'd be correct. Sometimes time flies just like that. Anyways, I'm doing laundry. I need to go on an adventure today. Let's go. All right, we are trying to go to it's like a water sanctuary today. So we're gonna go check that out. I wonder if it's gonna have like mini trails or if it's just gonna be like a lake. I don't know. We'll see, let's go. It's really noisy. I don't know what that buzzing noise is. I'm not a fan of her though. There are a lot of these like orange butterflies. They're very pretty. But yeah, there's like a whole field of them. So we're at the park. But there was instructions saying where the like nature preserve was, and this lady that commented was like, "Oh yeah, it's you go past the soccer fields. There's a soccer field here. There's soccer fields down there. There's soccer fields to my left. There's soccer fields everywhere." So, I think I'm gonna have to pull up Google Maps and look for like the naturey bits. Also, I got an extreme weather advisory for cold weather in Florida on my phone today. I was like, guys, I'm literally out here in a t-shirt. What? Yeah, it looks like I'm headed towards it, so let's hopefully see if we can find it. Okay, so something I'm starting to learn is that when it's gray weather and it's like already rained and stuff, nobody comes out. I think everyone's either just all at work or staying inside. I don't really know. But there's no one here, and I love that. It's empty, just the way I like it. Okay, so more soccer fields. And I believe I have found the entrance. Oh, yes. Also, there's a bird on the electrical box. Y'all know I won't want to be seeing the gator. Let's see if we can spot a gator. Probably not today because it's not sunny at all, but yeah. No swimming. Absolutely no swimming. They're come and eat your dogs, too. I'm actually so excited. Wait, what can we see here? Okay, osprey birds. A spoonbill. That's cool. If I was a duck, I would not be in these muddy waters. Right. Couldn't even see the tips of my fingers. Right. Alright, where are the gators at? This is what I want to know. Where's that? here, the little tree apples. Pretty cool. So many birds. So many of them. I've yet to see a gator, though. I know you have to be really quiet, but it's because the sun's not out. I get it. Probably not warm enough for them. In case you guys are curious, underneath these things. Oh, I knew there was a hawk yesterday. There's a hawk flying above, and I knew it was a hawk. Red-tailed hawks are cool. There's too many people in this park. I think this is gonna be a one and done for me. This is where I go off the beaten path and get eaten by an alligator. Also, I think it's just more natural when you're out here in it, you know, in the danger zone, if you will. Oh, look at this turtle. Whoa. That was a cool turtle. Or maybe it was a tortoise. It was pretty big. I don't really know. Looks like all mud right there. Like if you just like stepped in it, you would just go right through it. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna be very quiet because we're hunting rabbits, okay?
I'm hunting a certain wascoey wabbit.
More of these shells, guys. Super cool. Wow. See, I probably won't be in Florida that long, so I have to really get the most out of my trip here. This is why I can't go to places with a lot of people, because I literally was like filming through the fence and I was backing up and I turned around and this guy was like standing right next to me, right behind. He goes, "How are you?" And I'm like, "Oh my god, good." And I just started walking away. But I was like, you know, some people are just so curious. That's why I don't like when people are around, is because it just distracts all the animals and I can't get what I want. But anyways, whoa. Yeah, it was them over there. Florida's like a nice little mix of like a tropical jungle, but like open land. Like not as jungly as like Brazil or something like that, but like it's still like a tropical type jungle, like all this brush and stuff, you know, which is still cool. So you guys might ask me, like, how do I find places like this? Even in North Carolina or wherever I'm living, what I do is I just go on Google Maps and I type in like nature preserves or nature trails. I try to stay away from parks because most of the time parks are just configured of playscapes and screaming children, when in reality I'm looking for something like this, much calmer, not a lot of people. So yeah, so I just kind of Google search it, or I'll go in Google Maps, I'll go to the satellite, and I'll just look at the big patches of like green and I'll try and see if I can go park near it, you know, what it is, I can go to it. And that's kind of how I find spots like this. A dead fish. Also, they like some type of crazy water park over here. I guess, I don't know, but they got some like rings and stuff in the air. Like, that's kind of cool. Yeah. Okay, so we could go back that way. That's towards the entrance. And then we could go back to the middle here. So I say let's go back to the middle, loop around. Because I kind of want to go back into that section where that turtle was. That's where like there was a lot of foot traffic. Like older people were walking. I was like... Am I out here looking for a gator? Yes. Essentially, I'm out here looking for trouble. Because, I mean, come on. I'm always looking for trouble. That's the adventurous stuff. Love it. I feel like around here I'd spot some gators. What if one just like boom jumped right up? That would be a pretty sick shot. Also, it's kind of sprinkling, so that's fun. All I've gotten so far is some images of some birds. I didn't get a picture of the turtle, but I got a video of it, so it's good enough. I could just take screenshots. To be fair, this is so cool, so fun. I mean, these grasses are like so tall. These guys are like iridescent almost. Really cool. It like jiggles. It's like a ground that jiggles. Like if they move on it, it like jiggles. Whoa, that's so cool. Alright guys, unfortunately today, no gator, but we did see a turtle and a lot of birds. So we did come away with some cool things today. It's just, nature itself is just so beautiful. I mean, you come out and enjoy it, like no music, no nothing, and you just hear all the sounds and the smells. It's really nice. Look at all these little birds. I think they're like chickadees. I like it. Lots of ducks. Alright, well that place was fun. I think I'm gonna head to my car because there's not much else at this park. It's like a pretty regular park, I guess. If you want to see some other photos from this camera, head to my Patreon page. I post a lot of stuff on there for my Patrons. And I also have my photography. I'm selling my art. So there's also a link down in the description to get a photo, get a print. And then also I have all of my Amazon affiliate links down in the description below. So if you want any of my gear, you can totally check it out. Yeah. Help support this channel just a little bit. Yeah, I've been drinking Florida tap water like I've been born here. I don't know if it's been good. It's quite irony, but I mean, hey, I don't really want to pay for purified water, which is partially just the same, just as bad for you. Everything is bad for you in this life, except for traveling. It's good for the soul. All right. Okay, I got some groceries at Target, some free stuff, and some icing. Because, dude, it is so much cheaper to get your sugar fix just by buying like a tub of ice cream or icing. It's so much cheaper than all of the other options for dessert that are vegan, at least. Everything that's vegan is at least $6 and up. I'm like, geez, no. So I've got a desk to build. It's my new assignment. I got this for free at Target. It's meant for babies, but still is pretty good, and it has no milk in it. That's the most important part. And ladies and gentlemen, that is the new desk setup. Small enough, but capable enough. Alright guys, for dinner tonight, I'm making myself a burger, some frozen vegetables. Yeah, that's about it. I think I'm gonna put an egg on my burger as well. Oh yeah. We getting toasty. Yeah. But we're gonna put a little bit of, we don't have ketchup. Just gonna put a little bit of mayo on. Not too much. We're staying skinny. Alrighty guys, and that, my friend, is how you do it. Alright, so we got a couple vegetables here. Boom. Makes the dinner. Let's try them here. One thing I know how to make a veggie burger. Wow. So good. Okay, I did not know there was gonna be a sunset today, but I'm gonna see if I could go to the lake real quick and see it. What? Oh, wow.
What should I call you? Should I call you Phil?
I saw that cat, this cat, a bunch of times yesterday. We're friends. I've named him Phil. Very sweet cat. Phil likes to play. He's playing with my camera strap. Okay, Phil.
Phil, do you chase the birdies?
The ducks? Yeah. I think we're just keeping each other mutual friends. Just company. I'll Phil. Yeah. Flyover. Guys, the sunsets here in Florida are just tremendous. I mean, it's just me and Phil. We're just enjoying it here. He's got his back to me because he trusts me. So he's sitting like that for a reason. So cute. Makes me miss my cats at home. Sunset though, I can't even. Like, wow. It's like purple now. So beautiful. Phil sees the birds. He's going after it. Look at him go. He's ready. It's only just a few yards away. I'm filming a nature documentary on cats, wild cats. Oh, I think he lost focus. But the bird is right there, not moving a muscle, because the bird senses the cat. Is he gonna go for it? I guess we must watch, find out. Maybe on the next commercial break. Phil has since changed directions to those group of birds. I named him Phil, short for Philly. He's just so cute. He just looks like a Philly. I don't know. But I named him that. So now I'm gonna go visit Philly. I feel like I'm like this cat, you know? He comes around when he wants attention, you know, when both of our journeys meet, but he never loses focuses of the real target, the birds, right? Even though he knows that I'm here and he can get all the pets that he wants. But he never loses focus. What a lesson to take from Phil. A black cat. Hello, kitty. Typically, black cats aren't that nice. Like all black cats like that, I don't know. But maybe it's just my experience, I don't know.